Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. Here we're talking about the fixed mortgage and REOs, real estate owned by banks. Close more faster. That's the headline. Close more faster. More inventory. REO, older homes that need updating to repair, are often ignored because of their condition. With the right financing solution, these homes can become a viable inventory and affordable opportunities for any buyer. More buyers. Investors with cash are not the only buyers that can close. Any qualified owner, occupant, investor, or second home buyer can borrow purchase money and renovation funds and close as is on time. That's right. Anyone, any qualified buyer can buy, not just investors with cash. More products. This is not your father's 203K. Not your father's 203K, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with. Fix-it mortgage is a complete line of conventional and government renovation products, including Fannie Mae Home Style, Home Ready with Renovation, Fix-It Jumbo Renovation, FHA 203K, that's what you're used to, FHA 203K Limited, and VA Renovation. So it's a little bit of old and new, right? Here we go. Faster pre-approval. Fast, accurate, and specific to renovation. We get credit, income, and asset docs right up front, so you can rely on the information. We also add a specific renovation loan addendum to the pre-qualification and strengthen the offer by making it clear we will close as is. Faster decisions. All processing, underwriting, and closing decisions are made internally by Fix-It Mortgage renovation experts, all focused on closing on time, of course. Faster closing, of course, right? As is, on time. I'll repeat that. Faster closings, as is, on time. That's the whole idea of these fix-it mortgages, loans, which we talked about. Fannie Mae Home Style, Home Ready with Renovation, Fix-It Jumbo Renovation, FHA 203K and FHA 203K Limited, VA Renovation. These are all available. They all make real estate owns close. They give you more inventory, more buyers, more products, and it's faster, of course, because you have a faster pre-approval. You can have faster decision making, and of course, you have faster closings. With that, I'd like to thank you for listening thus far, and this has been James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute, and I hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day. Thanks again for listening.